Madalian lang kasi nagmamadali kami. Hobbies ba? So pumasok na ako sa pinto as always, and then pagkapasok mo, merong konting hallway, and then sa kaliwa, the usual. Safety deposit box, mga ganyan, safety XX, mga plancha, 'di ba? And then sabitan. So the usual naman siya. And then of course, pagdating mo sa kanan, no? Pagsilip mo sa kanan is the restroom, toilet, bathroom, lavatory, CR, whatever you want to call it. And then as usual, pagka nasa ibang lugar kami, kadalasan walang bidet. So medyo minus points talaga sa akin yung walang bidet. Pero pwede na syempre. Shangri-La to eh. Tapos ayun yung shower area. And nag-iisa yung sink. Di ba lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo, gusto ko dalawa yung sink para hindi kami nagkakasikuhan, ni Inay Ara, ni Madam Beshi. But nevertheless, ganun. So merong bathtub. Hopefully nakikita. So yun yung bathtub. No? So, yan. So merong bathtub. Okay? So pagpasok mo rito, the coffee area, I'm sure nandito sa baba yung ayan, may complimentary water. Yan. The usual, yung refrigerator. No? And then some cabinet dyan, ledges. Yung parang patungan ng mga gamit. And then the usual, no, merong side tables, yung bed. So nakabalandra na yung mga gamit namin. And of course, merong TV sa harap ng bed, which is the usual. Si Inay Ara, hello Inay Ara! Ayan, kita niyo siya just a study area or office area, whatever you want to call it. And then of course, merong parang sofa area. So that's pretty much it. And then the view, of course, no? The view is yung river dito sa Shanghai and yung tinatawag na The Bond, James Bond. So this is the view. So maganda siya ngayon dahil meron dumadaan na ganyan, di ba? So that's the view. As you can see, that's the view from there, from here to there. So that's the view, that's the view, that's the view. And medyo gloomy nga lang ngayon. Nandito na yung bagyo from the Philippines. So we'll just enjoy kung ano man yung kaya namin enjoy. Okay?